David here, weekly week look. Today is Friday 11th of November. Looking at the May contract 2017 UK wheat and its pre-market open. And as usual, we'll start with a long-term chart. We'll look at the monthly chart, and here you can see here that obviously we're right, just testing the swing high of last year, 2015 highs at 140. Closed last night there just above this 140 level. You can see this was support back in 2012, resistance in 2009, and resistance in 2015. Obviously, we've got this next level here, 138, to look at. Let's go down and see where we can see. This is the monthly, more of a zoomed in look on here. You can see here this big green candle here was October's move. Obviously, we had a positive month, September and August. Obviously, we had this negative month here. You can see the swing high here, 138, nearly 139. And obviously, you can see that we're having some retrace of the old rise we had in October. Across here, you can see last May's highs here, 140. That was where we saw on that longer term chart. Let's go down into the weekly. You can see here, we've now had the second week of falling prices. Obviously, 24th, we commenced 24th of October was the high. We got to 144. This is on the May contract, and obviously we're coming back here. Last night closed at 140. Swing high here, 139. Let's go down to the daily. And you can see here, daily, I've run across here, we've got the 10, 30 and 60-day moving averages, and obviously we have broken through the 10-day moving average at the moment. This is the first time for the last 2 months that we've actually had a close below it. So we are looking some retrace. Obviously, first line of support will come in this swing high here, which will be 138. Stochastic's coming back, and obviously we've got an upward sloping 6-day moving average coming in at 134. Just pop down on, move this across to one side here. You can just see here that we've got this sell come through on the stochastic charts here. I've got 20-day running on this chart here. You can see we're just touching the 20-day moving average. So look for some retrace. Should find support. We've gap filled this gap here, which was left the end of October, and you know, let's see why we come down and test this swing high at 138 and find support. But looks as though we are seeing some retrace at the moment. Nothing major in you know, markets don't go in one way. You're likely to see some retrace, but obviously if we took out the next line of support here, 138, the swing high, and this 30-day moving average here, then obviously we would look 34. But at the moment, obviously, let's see if 140 can hold. Just look at the currency, obviously, with what's been happening in the US with elections and whatever. The pound v Deutschmark, I can't go back whole days. Pound v the dollar up here at 12.56. It's coming up to test the 50-day moving average, daily moving average. You know, it has had a little bit of retrace. Obviously, that this is the flash crash here. You know, we'll see what happens over the next week. But obviously, the key for the week market will be watching that 138 level when it comes to be tested, or certainly today the 140. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.